Hi traders, it's Jay with thetraderinstitute.com. Just want to remind everyone that futures, forex, and options trading is risky and you can lose money. Therefore, you should only trade with risk capital. Please consult your financial advisor or investment professional before making any investments in futures, forex, or options. No guarantee of income or solicitation of futures, forex, or options or any other financial instrument is being made in these videos.
All right, so on Friday, our levels from Thursday night's agent session were basically very good for the non-farm payroll day. You can see that during the agent session, which was right about here until about there, we had already established that 2105 was going to be critical, so it was a black line, which you can see right up there, and that held the high during the Asian session. And then going into London, European and London session was basically consolidation all the way until non-farm payrolls. Just right before non-farm payrolls, we spiked up. We only went up to 2106 on that little spike, so only 4 ticks through our level. And then the non-farm payrolls came out and the market dropped significantly. And you can see when it dropped, we had a level of 97.50. It actually just went through that on the spike, but it immediately bounced right at a level at 94.75 back up to that 97.50. And then once it was back down below it, back below 97.50, then it went all the way down to our level 91.75, pushed it a couple ticks, back up to 94.75, just played around until the cash opened. Then right after the cash open, we tagged our level 97.50, only went through that a couple ticks, and then continued the downtrend, and slight hesitation again at 91.75, and then you got the bounce right there at a black level at 89. Only went as far as 88.25, so that was good within 3 ticks. And then we had another black level, which is a major level at 82, and the low of the day was 82.75, so we were within 3 ticks of the low with that particular black level on Friday. And you can see that once that low was put in, we started moving up, and the first place you got a reaction was back at 89. Get a nice bounce off 92 as well, 80, 89. Once we pushed above that and 91, the next place we went back up to was 95, then back into 91.75 again a couple times, and then basically rally into the close. So the major levels, which we denote in black, very effective on the non-farm payroll Friday, and also the minor levels in red, also quite good. So going into Monday on the ES, essentially our levels are pretty much the same, just some slight adjustments, and really our do or die level is still 2105, possibly 2106 now. We could move that up to 2106, because obviously we'd have to get through that high to continue upward progress. Still got some major levels at 89, 82, and 80. So basically we're stuck in that range. So until we come above 2106 or we go below 2082, that's where we're stuck right now, is basically this this zone, okay? So if we go above 2106, I'm expecting us over the coming days and weeks to get up to 2150, 2151 actually. If we get below 2080, then all bets would be off to the upside, with the first major encounter being at 2071 3/4 and 2068 or 2069, and then below that we should see, if we do continue below that, then we would see at least 2057 half, and then into the lower 2050. So that's what I'm seeing on the ES in terms of projections over the next 24 to 48 hours, and assuming we break 2106, then even higher. All right, so looking at crude, we actually had Friday's high. It was a red level. I've changed it to black. 49.38 was the level. I've adjusted it to 49.39. We didn't get in or above the zone that is from 49.45 to 49.62. We're kind of 49.39 and go through the zone that runs from 49.45 to 49.62. Then we're still stuck and probably more to the downside. But we need also to get back below 48.60 if we're going to go lower, to get back down to 47.87. So right now, the direction is up until 49.39 or 49.45, and then that's going to be key to see what happens. If we get through 39 and 45, the key barrier is 62. If we can get back through that, then yes, we would remain bullish and probably end up at 50-50. But if we get back below 48.60, then we're looking at 47.87 and lower on crude. Okay, so that's the outlook for crude. On NASDAQ, our levels were very good on Friday. The upside, the high was 39. We did catch that within a tick or two. I've put the new levels on here for Monday and going into Monday and Tuesday. So obviously 45.38 half above us, very significant. The key is, can we get through 4,500 to 44.94, this area here. All right. So as long as we stay above 4,500 or 44.94, expect us to come back up and retest 45.38 half. If we go below 45 or 44.94, then the first stop is going to be down at 44.77 or 44.72. Beyond that, to the downside, we're looking at 44.33. Okay, so that's the outlook on NASDAQ.